Hello, my name is Ryan Corcoran. I'm at the Ross booth 106, and I'm a freelance demo artist and trainer for Ross Video. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some of the new things coming in XPression version 6. So we got some really cool things going on here. First and foremost, we have the ability to queue multiple graphics. This is a kind of an undersold one, but using the period on the number pad, I can actually queue now multiple graphics and take them both at the same time. Before we had, in order to do this, you would have to make a group and set the group playout to be timed and immediate to play multiple graphics. Well, now you can simply queue as many graphics as you want on different layers and play them at the same time. So again, that's period to queue and then the take to take multiple graphics. So again, XPression is a multi-layer CG system, but again, also new this year in version 6 is transition logic. We now have the ability that we can program logical information into a scene to have it react to other scenes coming online, such as like back-to-back graphics, or, you know, for example, I have a banner here, and on a single channel, on a single layer, I can tell it that when a 2-line lower third comes in, it needs to reposition that banner to a different spot. When I go back-to-back lower thirds, it knows to just change the lower third information. When I go to a single line lower third, it performs the animation for that. That's transition logic. It is now able to logically dictate what it's supposed to do in certain aspects, whether it's that or back-to-back OTS graphics, right? And then we can designate an offline animation so that when we do the offline command, it'll actually take the graphic offline via its offline animation. So very cool and powerful there, transition logic. The next big thing is XPression clips. So XPression now has the ability to record and play back clips. So you'll notice if you actually, you'll need to get the option for it, but once you get the XPression clips option, you'll be able to just pop open and record off of one of your inputs. Now, aside from that, you'll be able to set this up as an actual clip player. So if I go to my clip browser, it'll bring up my clip browser, and we'll be able to set up instant transcoding, right? So you can make a watch folder, put the clips in the watch folder, and it'll automatically transcode those into the XPression codec for you, right? And that's called the XPression encoding. And if I find it here, video server channels. I don't have any of my server channels made right now, but it would come up with the server channels that I make, and then I would literally just click and drag my sequence item into my video server channel, and it would play. And what's really interesting about that is it still utilizes every single layer on the output, right? So you designate a output to be one of your clip players, you output your clip, and then you can even output graphics on top of that at the same time, right? All simultaneously. So XPression clips, very powerful. As far as that, that's a lot of the major new things there with XPression. So if you want any more information on that, you can go to the website, rossvideo.com. We have some tutorials up there for XPression University. So if you want to learn how to do some things and so forth. Again, my name is Ryan Corcoran at the Ross booth 106. Hope you had a great show.